If you watch a lot of videos while browsing, Opera has a really useful feature called Video Pop-out. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable pop-up video play in Opera browser in just a few quick steps. This is perfect if you want to keep watching a video in a floating window while you continue browsing other tabs, checking emails, or working online. It's a simple feature, but once you turn it on, it can completely change how you use Opera. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Opera browser and look at the very top left corner of the window. You'll see the Opera O logo there. Click on that logo to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to the browser settings page where you can control a wide range of Opera features and preferences. Once the settings window opens, look at the very top right corner. You should see a box labeled Search Settings. This search box makes it much faster to find the exact option you need instead of scrolling through everything manually. Click inside the search box and type the word video. As soon as you type it, Opera will instantly filter out all the other options and show only the settings related to video. This is a great time-saving step, especially if you're not familiar with where the feature is located. Now scroll down slightly on the filtered page until you find the section called Video Pop-out. This is the setting that controls whether Opera can play videos in a floating pop-up window. Once you find it, simply turn the toggle on. When the switch is enabled, Opera will allow videos to pop out into a separate small window so you can keep watching while doing other tasks. That's really all there is to it. After turning on Video Pop-out, you can go back to a video page and test the feature to make sure it's working properly. It's a small setting, but it can make multitasking much easier and help you get more done without missing what you're watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more practical browser tips, and I'll see you in the next one.